I'm back again. I'm Cody Seeger and I'm working on another video for my A&P lecture class. This time it's on the digestive system. There are, all of it's important of course, but there are a few parts that I'm going to be focusing on much more than the others. I have a drawing here that I did, and it's kind of sloppy, but each part of the digestion system, if you can see, are numbered, and then all of them are up here. Everything from the teeth all the way to the large intestine to the rectum, all of it. So to get to it, of course, food enters your mouth, and that's the start of the digestive process. But at the beginning, there are these 6, 4 over here, and 5 over here, and those are the salivary glands, and they're very important to it. They're the start of your digestion process. The salivary glands moisten the mouth and other parts of the fairly immediate digestive parts. It also uses salivary amylase to break down carbohydrates in the food. And so then the food will pass through the esophagus all the way down into the stomach. And there's a lot that happens here, but we're going to move on to this little guy right here. This is the beginning of the small intestine, which is the duodenum. And there's a lot that actually happens there. Firstly, there is secretion from the pancreas, and there is stuff that's happening with the liver and this little guy right here, which is called the gallbladder, that helps digestion even further. To start with, the liver has so many purposes, but one of the main digestive purposes is processing the nutrients that are taken from the small intestine, right in that little area, and they'll process them. It will also put bile, with the help of the gallbladder, into the small intestine as an aid in digesting fats and such. Along with that, though, there is these, look over here, the pancreas, and it makes pancreatic juices, which are enzymes, and these enzymes are lipase, protease, and again amylase. And these enzymes will essentially try to coat the digesting food as much as they physically can, as a way to break down things like sugars, fats, and starches. Meanwhile, the pancreas will also produce different hormones that don't necessarily go into the digestive system, but they'll go and travel through your blood and to give signals to your digestive system so they can work even better. And of course, your food will pass through the intestine, run through, and that's where it passes out.